In today's video, I'm going to be creating a brown wispy strip lash set on my client, and I'll be walking you through all of the steps so you can recreate this style on any one of your clients. Before beginning any set, I'm going to give my client a quick lash bath to make sure that there are no oils or debris on the lash line so we can get a perfect bond between the extension and the natural lash. I'm using a fine bristled cleansing brush so I can get nice and close to the lash line, and I'm working in circular motions. I'm also getting above the eyelid and below the eyelid to make sure that I'm ridding all the oils so that those eye pads will sit nicely and not move throughout the service. And I like to cleanse for about a minute on each eye. Now I'm going to tilt my client's head to the side so we can rinse the cleanser off of the lashes. Today I'm using our blackout eye pads because my client has very blonde lashes, so this will give me the perfect contrast between the lashes and the eye pads. Now we are going to prime the lashes, so I'm going to grab a glue wipe and 2 micro swabs. And I'm going to apply a minimal amount of product on 1 micro swab, close the bottle nice and tight, and then transfer the product. And we don't want the product to be dripping wet because if this does get in the eyes, that's not going to feel very comfortable for our client. So we're going to dab the excess on the glue wipe. And if you like to be extra cautious, you can use your glue wipe and then begin applying the primer. I'm applying just close to that lash line and gliding the micro swab up to coat every single lash. And that's going to help us get a magnetic bond. To start off my set, I'll be placing my spikes along the top layer in lengths 8 to 12 using C curl. Now that we are all done our set, we're going to check through the lash line for stickies. So we're going to make sure there are no extensions that are stuck together and no extensions that are stuck to the eye pad. This is especially crucial for clients who are blonde because there are so many short and fine natural lashes. So we want to make sure that there's none stuck together. Now we can go ahead and super bond. So I'm going to take 2 micro swabs and a glue wipe. And we're going to do the same process as we did for priming. 1 micro swab into the bottle and then transferring the product over to the second micro swab. Dab the excess and then apply super bonder close to the base where the extensions were applied. This will help make the extensions oil resistant and will help prevent irritation to the eyes once they open. I'm also going to go underneath the lashes as well because I was applying my extensions underneath the natural lash along that bottom layer.